When a Metro officer tells you there's a warrant out for your arrest, there are a few things you need to understand. First, Metro Police are not SAPS. Their powers are limited. Traffic offences and unpaid fines are not arrestable offences. Second, a warrant is a legal document, not a screenshot, not a phone app, and not a verbal claim. A hit on a device does not automatically mean you must be arrested on the spot. Now listen carefully, this isn't about being difficult or refusing to cooperate. This is about procedure. The reason procedure matters is simple. South Africa has a real problem with fake cops, impersonation, and abuse of power. Verification protects you and it protects legitimate officers. You have the right to ask who issued the warrant. Ask which station it comes from. Ask to be taken to a police station to verify it. You do not have to blindly accept a device as proof. Awareness is not interference. Knowing your rights is not resisting arrest. And asking questions is not disrespect. This is exactly why we educate motorists not to cause problems, but to prevent them. Stay safe, stay streetwise, and remember to like and follow.